If you are staring at your workplace 401k and wondering why it isn't growing fast enough, it's probably because you are trapped in a system designed for average returns. If you are 25, average is fine. But I'm 47. I'm an IT director who started late, and you cannot fix a compressed timeline using limited tools. But if your employer uses Fidelity, there is a hidden secret menu inside your 401k. It's called Fidelity BrokerageLink. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlock it, the hidden rules about transferring your money, and step-by-step how I use it to buy high-performance factor ETFs directly inside my workplace 401k plan. BrokerageLink is a separate pocket inside your retirement plan where you have much more access to the open stock market. But check your plan fact sheet first to see your tier. Some offer expanded option allowing ETFs, while others are mutual funds only. Before we do the step-by-step setup, hit the like button if you are ready to take control of your own timeline, and let me know in the comments below which of the 3 tiers your employer offers. And a quick warning, if you pay a fee for Fidelity's professional advisory service, the system won't let you open BrokerageLink online. I had to physically call Fidelity and cancel the advisory service first. The rep canceled the fee and opened the account for me right on the phone. If you aren't using advisory service, just log in to Net Benefits, click Quick Links, and select BrokerageLink. You agree to the terms and the account is open. But here is where people get confused. Your employer still sends your paycheck contribution to Fidelity. But once this is open, you tell Fidelity to route the money straight into this new secret menu. However, when it lands, it is not invested. It sits in a holding account as cash. You have to manually log in and buy the new funds. To get started today, you have to move your existing 401k balance over. But here's the catch. Fidelity will only transfer cash. You must sell your existing assets first. I chose to transfer 100% of my portfolio to take total control. Beginners panic here and ask, should I wait to sell if the market is down? The answer is no. It is an even swap. You are selling your old funds at a discount, but you are turning right around to buy your new ETFs at the exact same discount. If that math just saved you a ton of stress, hit the subscribe button right now. I break down late starter retirement strategies like this every single week. Once you hit sell, it takes about 1 full business day for the cash to become available in your BrokerageLink account. Once the initial transfer is done, go into your investment settings and choose BrokerageLink as your primary payroll contribution option. Now, every time you get paid, the money bypasses your old mutual funds automatically. So, why do all this? Because BrokerageLink gives me the freedom to tilt my portfolio heavily towards small cap value. I use my transferred cash to buy the AVUV ETF for the US market and AVDV ETF for the international exposure. This account is the exact tool I use to build the rocket fuel required to hit my timeline. If you want a full breakdown on why I fired my financial advisor to save those massive fees, let me know in the comments and I will make that video next. Make sure you are subscribed to follow my exact portfolio math every week. See you in the next one.